All right, before, go ahead. The stock halogen bulbs, and then we're gonna put LED bulbs. All right, so this is the before and after. Left the stock, right is the after the LED change. This is just to show you guys the end product. And this is just the headlights, not including the fog lights, which we're gonna do. Now to get started, you're gonna have to turn each wheel. For example, this is on the driver's side. We have to turn it all the way to the right in order to give us access to the top pocket, so we can turn the knob to the left or counterclockwise, so we can open and get access to the actual headlight, the low beam one. So you're gonna twist left when you try to pull it out. You're gonna have to remove this rubber cover before you get to it. But like I said, to remove it, turn to your left, and it'll come off easily. This is pretty much after putting the top headlights. Reverse process. You're gonna push it in, turn to the right, and it locks it in place. Here is a comparison with the fog lights and as stock, so you can see where the yellow's at from the stock one versus the LEDs at the top. Depending on the angle, it can look a little yellow, especially you can see on the driver's side, but that's just the angle of the actual light. As you can see right now that I shifted the camera a little, it's clear, so you can see the difference. On this one, we ended up installing the fog lights. It's the same process. It's actually much easier to remove the fog lights and the headlights. The headlights, you're limited to the access from your hand. This is just a test, just making sure everything works well. And this is, pretty much the end product. It's pretty simple. This is just a little quick under 2-minute video just to show you guys how it looks. It's a massive difference at night. Obviously, we're filming this pretty much around 4 p.m. So it's still, you could see the difference there. Like I said, depending on the camera angle, it kind of looks yellowish in certain parts. But it is bright white. It is 6500 Kelvin. If you guys like this, hit the like button. Thank you.